Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Produmex WMS 2024.06. In this version we concentrated on substantial bug fixing and the implementation of the unit of measure barcodes at the packing flow. Our team added further improvements to the customization framework that was introduced in the 2023.06 version last year. A new additional change in WMS is Hebrew translation. Let's see all these in detail. Scanning the items with unit of measure barcodes became easier. Now scanning a unit of measure barcode, the system will automatically read the code and recognize the number of the base unit of measure contained in the barcode, including both quantity and unit. This function is applied to GTIN 14 and free barcode types at the moment. This usability improvement is great for bigger quantities like a pallet of 1,000 pieces. The users don't have to scan the barcode 1,000 times or press the plus button 1,000 times. Create unique user queries based on your workflow. As a further improvement in the customization framework, now there is a new Events tab and a Customization Manager table. This means it is easier now to implement complex logics on the selection of UI fields and reduce the number of clicks by creating automated workflows. And you can even filter your options in the Customization Manager. Use the existing customization framework with the new functionality to automatically fill UI fields based on database user queries. A new option is available in the BIOS configuration settings in the pick list generation process parameter selection. The new option is Pick List Proposal plus Picking List plus Status Ready. With this new setting, BIOS users can now select to make the pick list automatically ready after the pick list has been created. Please note that both BIOS Manufacturing and Produmex WMS must be updated to 2024.06 for these parameters to work. Produmex WMS has a wide variety of translations, and in this version, we have added the Hebrew translation. The proper backward writing of the language is featured only in the desktop version of the product. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2024.10 to be released at the beginning of October 2024. Thank you very much for your attention. This concludes our introduction to the 2024.06 version of Produmex WMS. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.